Today I'm showing you how to add a countdown timer to an email in Flodesk. So countdown timers are a really great feature if you want to add authentic urgency to your emails. And there's two ways you can do it. You can have a fixed countdown. So if you're having a course launch or something where there's a date and a time that your offer expires or ends, or you can have a personalized countdown timer for the individual that opens your email. So the timer starts when the individual opens the email. I'm going to show you how to quickly do both today. So as you can see on my screen here, we're in my emails section of Flodesk, and I'm going to go to, I'm just in the folder section. One sec. I'm going to go to the emails, and I'm going to go new email. And I'm just going to pull up a really quick template to show you how to do this. So I'm going to choose this template, simple countdown timer, and I'm going to customize it. If you were creating a email like this for a course launch, or maybe like an early bird expiring or something like that, then what you do is you click into the timer here in the email, and I'm going to show you in a moment how to add a timer to an email rather than using a template as well. So I'll do that in a second. Click into the timer and then go up to the timer tab in the top right hand section. And here's what I spoke about, whether it's personalized or fixed. Fixed would be a end date and time that is for everybody. So no matter when they enter your funnel or receive this email, the end date and time is the same for everybody. Personalized is if you wanted to give somebody 5 days, 4 hours, whatever amount of time to act on this email, then you would put a personalized timer in. You also then have to add the link to where you want to send them by clicking the timer into here, and then you can customize the block as well. So you can add a description box in there, you can change the size of the font, etc. And you can change the layout. So if you didn't like the look of this timer, you could scroll down here and think, oh, I want something a bit more simple like this, and then obviously within that you can brand it as well. That's really how easy it is. If, for example, I wanted to go into an existing email and I wanted to actually, let's go new email, and I'm just going to do like a plain text email and kind of start from scratch. I'll show you how to put a section in and pull the timer in. So if I wanted to add a timer and just have a quick message here and say I wanted to add a timer, I go to the plus button and I add countdown here. And then the same thing happens. It'll pull in the timer, and then you get to choose from all the formats and templates over here, and then customize them with your branding and, colors and countdown, link, everything that I just described there. So I hope that's really helpful. Let me know if you use this element and how it works for you in your business.